Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record sounds in Soundpad. So let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is go to Window and click on Sound Recorder. You can click just on Ctrl plus R, so this will open up your recorder. Now click on this little cog right here, and this will show your recording preferences. So you'll see where you're going to save your files, so you can just set that to custom file location. So I'm going to set desktop right now. Then you can select the file how you want to save that, so you can save M4A, MP3 or WAV. So I recommend to do MP3. Then bitrate set to the maximum, and then you can add a category. So I will use my sounds, and right here you can just use the volume. You can increase the microphone volume right here if you want to, but I set automatically normalized recordings too. Okay, and now right here you'll see trim silence. You can use that or remove it if you want to, and now you can just click apply and then OK. And to use this recorder, what you can do is just select record microphone and click on this little button. Then, as you can see, I'm talking right now, and then just finish like that and you'll get the recording right here. And if you right click it, you can edit file or rename the file, and basically that's how it's going to work. And if you don't hear any sound, just go to preferences. Then you'll need to go to the devices and just select your microphone. So this is my default microphone. Click apply and OK. And this will fix your issue. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.